In this earth landscape, beauty serene, but hidden beneath our worrying machine. Human cruelty destroying what we share. Our mother nature weeps in despair. The rivers once clear, now tainted with sorrow. Animals cry out, begging for tomorrow. Our actions of greed, we can no longer hide. The damage we've done, deep wounds on our side. The trees once so lush, now barren and bare. Birds struggle to find a home in the air. Oh, won't we wake up, realize the cost? Our future's at stake, it's not yet all lost. Let's come together as brothers and sisters, restore our earth and heal her blisters. For the generations to come, let's make a stand to protect our planet with love in our hands.